What's up, guys? My name is Adam, aka Drone Dad. I just got a comment not too long ago off of a video I did where I actually used the DJI Action 4 as a dash cam. And silly me, whenever I was making the video, one of the things I neglected to mention and to include in that video, and somebody called me out on, was no sample of the footage. And so, something so silly, I'm just gonna make a really quick video to actually show you what the quality looks like when you use the DJI Action 4 as a dash cam. So just real quick before I install it, I'm doing 4K at 30 frames per second. I do have rock steady on because if you don't use stabilization on the camera, using it as a dash cam is going to be rough. It's going to be very shaky because obviously when you're driving down the road, your car moves, it wiggles, it shakes, and you're going to see every single one of those when you're driving. So I do have rock steady, not rock steady plus because that crops the image a little bit. I do like the wider angle. So rock steady still gives you a wide field of view without having all the bumpiness. I have it on loop recording for a 5-minute setting. That way it's going to keep the most recent 5 minutes. And as you keep recording, it's gonna start deleting stuff that's older than 5 minutes, keeping it at that 5 minutes. Just so you know, you can change that from 5 minutes to 20 to an hour to max, which basically it looks at your SD card, it looks at how much info you have, and it tells you, okay, we got an hour, we got 2 hours, whatever, depending on how big your memory card is. So again, I keep it 5, maybe sometimes 20 if I'm gonna be around a lot of traffic. Maybe somebody's road raging against me and I need to see like the evolution of how things progressed. But I think 5 minutes is good, especially because this is going to be a really short video. So, anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn my camera around real quick. So here is the bracket for the Action 4. I'll leave a description for this mount in the description. Now, the cool thing with this is if you want, you can do it portrait mode like that. It's a magnet, just kind of locks into place. Or if you want, you can pop that off and it locks into place just like that. And it is really, really sturdy. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit record on it. You see it's recording. And now let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna get up to driving a little bit, and then once I get up to speed, I'll include that in the video. Before I cut this off, thank you so much for watching. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below. But with that, I'll go ahead and get to the sample footage so you can actually see what it looks like using the DJI Action 4 as a dash cam. And real quick, I just want to show you how much it is shaking. So the camera itself is shaking as I'm going down the road. But if you look at the footage here in a second, you will see that that shake is gone.